Transboundary. The term transboundary is used to describe something that crosses or extends across boundaries. It is often used in the context of areas or issues that involve multiple countries or regions. When something is transboundary, it means it goes beyond the limits of a single country or region and affects or involves multiple entities. Examples of transboundary issues. 1. Transboundary rivers. Rivers that flow through or along the borders of different countries are considered transboundary rivers. These rivers often require cooperation and agreements between the countries involved to manage their water resources effectively. For instance, the Nile River flows through several African countries, including Egypt, Sudan, Ethiopia, and Uganda, making it a transboundary river. 2. Transboundary pollution. Pollution that originates in one country and affects the environment or health of neighboring countries is known as transboundary pollution. For example, air pollution from industrial activities in one country can travel across borders and impact the air quality in neighboring countries. 3. Transboundary conservation. Conservation efforts that involve multiple countries or regions to protect shared ecosystems or biodiversity are referred to as transboundary conservation. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is an example of a transboundary conservation area. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and stretches across multiple jurisdictions, involving cooperation and collaboration between the Australian government and neighboring countries. 4. Transboundary wildlife migration. The movement of animals across national borders is another example of a transboundary phenomenon. For instance, the annual migration of wildebeests in Africa involves crossing several countries, such as Tanzania and Kenya, as the animals search for better grazing areas. 5. Transboundary disease outbreaks. When a disease outbreak occurs and spreads across multiple countries, it is considered a transboundary health issue. The COVID-19 pandemic is a prime example of a transboundary disease outbreak. The virus originated in Wuhan, China, but quickly spread to various countries worldwide, necessitating international cooperation and coordination to combat its spread. In summary, the term transboundary refers to something that crosses or extends across boundaries, involving multiple countries or regions. It is commonly used to describe issues such as rivers, pollution, conservation, wildlife migration, and disease outbreaks that transcend national borders.